Hello everyone, welcome back. Before we start cleaning up our code, I want to show you a quick fix I had to make. If you look at my folder, you see I have a file called pixie.js. Here, originally I was trying to import Pixie directly from a CDN link, but my browser kept screaming at me with the CORS errors. It was super annoying. So, to fix it, I just went to this website, copied the raw code, and saved it here in the local file. Now, I can import it directly without worrying about the internet errors. Also, I have removed the script tag from my index.html where I was importing the PixiJS. If you have been following along, your project probably looks like this. You have your index.html and inside it you have a huge script tag with all asset loading, movement and variables. This is fine for testing, but for a real game, this is a nightmare. It's hard to read and you can't reuse code. Today, we are going to perform surgery. We are going to cut this code out and organize it to two new files, main.js and game.js. First, let's create those files, main.js and one is game.js. Now, in your index.html, delete everything inside the script tag. Yes, delete it all. Make sure you have a backup if you are scared. So, I am taking a backup and I am just saving it here. Your HTML should look tiny now, but we need to make one critical change. You must add type equals to module here. This tells the browser, hey, I am going to use modern JavaScript imports in this file. If you forget this, nothing will work. Now, let's go to the game.js. This file will hold our game logic. We are going to create a class. Think of a class as a blueprint. Every time we start the game, we build it from the blueprint. So, first step is importing pixie.js. Now, let's create the class. Let's create a constructor inside it. Now, we need to create the Pixie app. And here we will pass two parameters. First is the background. Let's give some random color. And second one is the resize. Now, we need to add this app view inside a document body. Now we'll create a function for initializing our things. For now, I'm just putting a console here, and I'll call this function here in this constructor. Notice two things. Export default. This lets other files use this class. And then we have this.app. We attach the application to the class so we can use it anywhere in this class. Now, let's go to main.js. This file is going to be incredibly simple. Its only job is to import the game class and press the start button. So, let's let's import the game class. Let's create a new instance for game. That's it. That is the whole file. Clean, right? If you save and run on your browser now, you should see the blue background here. That means connection is working fine. Now let's add those script CSS so that we can remove this extra margin padding and scroll bar. So let's put this here. So now it's removed. Yeah. Now let's bring our previous code back into game.js, specifically inside the init function. So let's go here. First step is loading bunny, and then we'll create a bunny. So we are adding bunny to this game class. And then we have here. Let's save it. This dot bunny assets dot bunny. Let's see if there is any issue. Bunny.jpg. This one is working fine. Let's check if we are doing anything wrong. We are having a bunny, we are positioning it, and then we are adding to a stage. What's the issue? Mhm. Okay, sorry. So I forgot to use await here. Now it's working fine. Now let's put the update part. and I'll create the function for the update. Here we'll be passing delta, and here we'll be rotating our bunny into delta. So you can see our bunny is rotating now. A quick pro tip: when adding the update loop, use dot bind this. This ensures that when the update function runs, it still has access to this dot bunny. So now the summary: we took a messy index.html and turned it into a professional engine structure. Index.html loads main.js, main.js starts the game, and game.js handles the logic. Now we want to add a player or UI system. We can just create player.js or UI.js and import them into the game class smoothly. In the next video, we'll do exactly that. We'll create a separate UI class to handle our scroll and buttons. Happy coding. Thank you.